Hi, welcome to your own YouTube channel, The Autoverse. Today, we're diving into the return of a legend, the highly anticipated 2025 Isuzu Trooper. Known for its rugged off-road capabilities and reliability, the new Trooper has been revamped with modern features while still maintaining the adventurous spirit that made it iconic. The 2025 Isuzu Trooper brings a refreshed design that strikes the perfect balance between classic sub-toughness and modern aesthetics. The boxy yet muscular exterior pays homage to its original design while incorporating sleeker lines and a bolder front grille. LED lighting has been integrated in the front and rear, giving it a contemporary edge, while its elevated stance and large wheel arches signal that this is still a vehicle built for adventure. Available in several new color options, including a striking desert sand finish, the Trooper is ready to turn heads both on and off the road. Inside, the 2025 Isuzu Trooper is all about comfort and practicality. The cabin features a mix of durable materials and soft-touch finishes, making it both rugged and refined. The seating arrangement offers plenty of space for 5 to 7 passengers, depending on the configuration, and the seats are designed for long-haul comfort. The new digital dashboard includes a large infotainment screen with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system. There's also plenty of cargo space and clever storage solutions, making it ideal for family trips or carrying all your outdoor gear. Under the hood, the 2025 Trooper offers 2 engine options. You can choose between a robust 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine and a more fuel-efficient 2.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine. Both engines provide excellent torque and power, ensuring that the Trooper can tackle tough terrains, while still delivering a smooth ride on highways. The 4x4 drivetrain remains a standard feature, and it comes with advanced off-road technology like hill descent control, terrain response modes, and a new locking rear differential for better traction in challenging conditions. The Trooper is built to handle any adventure you throw at it. In terms of safety, the Trooper doesn't compromise. It comes equipped with the latest in driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system has also been added, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. If you're excited about the return of the 2025 Isuzu Trooper and want to keep up with more in-depth car reviews, make sure to subscribe to the Autoverse and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.